Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change VW Gti windshield wipers, updated. Lift each wiper arm away from the glass, press the release tab on the blade connector, slide the blade off, align the new blade, and snap it into place. Repeat for both sides and test the wipers on low and high speeds to ensure proper contact and quiet operation. If your arms are metal versus plastic, use a small flat tool to help remove stubborn clips. Today, I walk you through the tools and parts you need for the job so you are not hunting for bits mid-repair. You will need replacement blades, size to your vehicle, a soft cloth, and a small flat pry tool. Keep a towel on the hood to protect paint and have a trash bag ready for old blades and packaging. Also bring safety glasses and gloves to avoid pinches and debris while you work. Start by lifting the wiper arm gently and locating the blade connector slot, then press the tab and slide the blade off. Clean the windshield and arm contact with cloth before installing the new blade to remove grit. If blades chatter, check blade curvature and arm tension, swap blades side to side if needed, and ensure the washer fluid is topped up to aid smooth clearing and reduce streaking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.